Howdy, neighbors. Well, we got rain. It was supposed to start at 3 in the morning, but it didn't start until about 10 or 11. And what time is it? I don't know. 3:13. We now have water flowing. It's taking a pause right now. I'm sitting out in the smoking lounge, but it figures. It sees all the dots on my windshield. I'm in the smoking lounge. And it's definitely causing, water. That's the stream between where we're parked and Lori. That only took about an hour and a half. But there's shininess under the bus. There's shininess all over. And it appears there's a lot of darkness headed our way. So it could be way more water than what we see now. I'm sitting in the smoking lounge. I got the Mr. Buddy heater here. I turn it on low, then I turn it on pilot. Just like I used to do for the last 5 or 6 years. And the bus is looking good. And I do have 2 leaks, and each one of them is right at those hatches up top. So I need to, and I didn't get around to it because, I only got so many hours in a day and so much back that I can do it. But I have roof coat. I roof coated them once, but I need to do it again. So, and all we do is put a pan underneath where the drips are. Nothing major. So, I'll get that taken care of. The wind finally died down. Jerry's pole right up there is missing the flag that he had on it. And it's laying down over there. Let me see if I can zoom in on it from over here. Basically, that's it on the ground right there. So, and I haven't put the solar panels down, as you can see. But that's because we've had patches of sun come through. And so I've got a few amps of power going in when I have the panels that way. Anyway, that's what's going on today. I'm pretty sure that we only have a couple of days of this. Well, hopefully only one whole day of it. But I'm worried about the guy who's over there over that way. There's a guy camped right next to a wash. I mean, literally, within 2 feet of the wash. So hopefully he doesn't get washed out. So that's the difference. Yesterday I was sweating while I was trying to finish that up. That stretch of paint up there. And hummingbird at Jerry's hummingbird feeder. Where'd you go? Oh, I didn't zoom in quick enough. But yeah, That's what's going on. So, yep. Life in the fast lane. Just enjoying the cool weather. And the rain's okay. It keeps the dust down. Neighbors everywhere. But that's to be expected down here, which is way cool. So, okay. That's my checking in for today. Ooh. I'm not sure what else to talk about right now. Okay. As the old saying goes, later.